Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to talk about the Pacific DataViz Challenge 2026. Yes, this challenge is on again and it was officially launched on the 1st of June and it's running till the 31st of August. So we've got exactly 3 months to work on this challenge. So what is this? Okay, well, the title says Pacific DataViz Challenge. So we are working with Pacific data and the aim is to, let me specify, it's the open Pacific data. And the aim is to transform this data into data visualization. Okay, so all the information is on the website. Let me just quickly go over to the data section. So these are the official data sets and the theme is on climate change. So you can sort of download one of these data sets and analyze the data. For example, if we look at population growth, okay, so the data is stored in a format like this, and you can easily come over to download and download it in either CSV or Excel format. Okay, it's very easy to download. So once you download the data, you can sort of upload that to whatever AI tool of choice. You can use either Power BI to analyze the data, or you can use AI to sort of analyze the data. For example, I'm running the data sets. I just uploaded it into LM Studio and I'm specifically using Gamma 412b. So I did a previous video explaining how you can set up Gamma 412b on your local computer. So as you can see, I loaded the data sets which I downloaded all in CSV format into Gamma 412b. It's running locally on my computer, completely free. So I just said, you know, first step, can you perform some exploratory data analysis? So it went through and sort of analyzed the data. And then I asked it to, you know, identify a data story, which I can, you know, take out from this data here. So it proposed 3 data stories here, which I can then sort of analyze in more detail. Okay, so use whatever AI tool that you feel comfortable in using to sort of analyze the data. And then, of course, you can go through the process of choosing how you will present your information, right? So I was fortunate enough to have won the challenge, the Pacific category in 2024. So this was my DataViz, which I did using Power BI. So I'll put the link below to one of the videos that I did sort of explaining my process. Okay, so basically you choose whatever tool that you want to use. The rules and regulations are here as well. You can scroll right down to the data section and then further down, you can download the rules for the challenge, okay? So, and then they've got information here, like the challenge, the participation is free of charge. Everyone can participate from all around the world, okay, from any country or territory. And of course, they've got amazing prices here, okay? So please check out their website for more information. And one other detail as well is that we'll be having if I just bring up that section here, they'll also be hosting a webinar. Okay, so they're hosting a webinar. Let me see if I can bring up the timeline. Yes, okay, the timeline. So they're hosting a webinar on June 17th. So that's like this coming Wednesday, Pacific time. So you can register for that webinar and sort of, if you have any questions, this is a great time for you to ask your questions about the challenge. Okay, so I encourage you to join us for this webinar. I'll be participating as well, so please join us. And yeah, so check out their website for more details. It's a great opportunity if you're trying to break into the data field. You know, it's going to give you a good experience on how to work with data, from raw data right up to data visualization. And if you're already in the data field, this is a great challenge as well to sort of push your skills a step up, to really see what else you can work on or how you can improve your skills in data visualization. Well, this brings me to the end of my video, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and I hope you participate in the challenge. I'll put the link below. Well, if you do, good luck. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.